Hey everyone, I've got some really exciting news. I've actually been nominated for a design award and I just wanted to share that with you. So that is the annual 2022 and I've been announced as one of the shortlisted designers. This is part of Creative Pool and they do this every year. So I'm recording this video really to ask for a big favour. If we go down and have a look at the shortlist, we can see it's a stacked field full of tons of incredibly talented agencies, designers, animators, the list goes on. So the section I'm particularly interested in, if I just move myself over here, is the Next Gen Talent of the Year. And this is where I've been nominated. And we can see there's a lot of very talented people in this field. And I'm currently in third place, which is really cool. I didn't even expect to be here. I didn't even expect to be nominated, so it's really cool to be here. But I'd really love it if I've ever helped you with any of my videos, if you could come in here and vote for me. To do that, you can just go to Creative Pool, and there is actually a vote button here. It does require you to register, so it does take an extra step, but hopefully you think my videos, my design tutorials, maybe my files on Figma that you found really useful and helpful in your design careers. Yep. I'm just asking for a big favour here. If you don't feel like I deserve it, then please don't worry. No need to vote. But if you do, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much. And I'll see you in the next video.